Hey again, let me start step by step implement the tic-tac-toe online game. So to get started, I will create a new project. I will name it tic-tac-toe online. Okay, because I want to play online. You could save it any place, but I want to save it in the place that I have it for my tic-tac-toe game. If you remember, we already create tic-tac-toe game, like was offline. If you go here, tic-tac-toe game, you will see that tic-tac-toe game, tic-tac-toe local. This was for playing local. If you go to app, src, main, resource, you will see the layout. I will not design the layout again because I have it already. So what I will do, I just copy this layout and move it to my code. So just copy this one and I will move it to other copy. I go here and sorry, here is it, Android Studio. I will go to this main. If you remember this resource here, layout. Now I have constraint. Now there's Control C, Control V, remove and replace. This is we already designed this one. But the new one that we wanted, we don't want to use this way of table because we need to, if you remember from the game that we needed, we wanted to be in this way. Like we want to have here row, here second row, here is the table view. So because here row and row, second, 3 rows, you know the design. If I just, oops, Dropbox, not Dropbox, I need to open the draw. Again, the draw tool. So you know how we do this. I just have row, here linear, then second linear, then I have this one should be as a linear. So three rows I need to have. So this table view, I will just cut this part. I change this one to linear layout. Okay, then I define here my table view. Because table view I need to let's make it match parent. Here is match parent also. And make sure I add my rows inside here. So the rows I just cut them, I add them here. So now still I have same, but the design is changed. Now if I go back here to the design, you will see I have linear layout, which is horizontal, but what I want to have it, I want to have it as a as the second. What he do here, he do horizontal, I change it to vertical because by default horizontal. So this one, now I have table view, I have horizontal, I need 2 more vertical layouts, so here is it. Sorry, 2 more horizontal added here, and the second one, oops, hopefully, no, I don't want it inside it, so inside this one, sometimes, yeah, here you go, now I have 2 of them, but this one match parent, make the height is wrap content, and also make the height of this one wrap content, so that third one will appear. So here you go. This one doesn't have anything, but what I want to add, input and 2 button. So what I will do, text, then it should someone enter his email. So it's better for me to add this one inside it, and I will add 2 button. So 1 and why he always doesn't take the button. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't put it the right way. So here, put it. So now I have 2 button. I have this layout and also a second row. I also need to have an input button, which is always also email here. Email will help you to allow the user to only enter the email type. You could use normal text, edit text, but email will help you to be more like restrict the user input. So yes, this is my layout. So this one, let me name it. I will name this one. If I just click cancel, so he go out. Yes, I will name this one edit text. Let me name it invite email. Okay, someone invite email the person who I invited. I know it's something wrong in the spelling. Here is the button for you click to invite. You invite people. I don't know why invite, I don't write it correctly. Hopefully invite correct. And here this is the button for sorry, this one should be bu invite, the ID. I don't care about it, but I care about the text that appear here, invite. And this one should be you accept, you accept the invitation. And I will change the text here to accept. This one should be my email, edit text my email, that's I login for my email. Okay, and this one should be login, so we'll name it login, or you could say name it here bu login. Okay, so yes, this is basically how the layout. Hopefully everything now is good. I don't have any problem in the design. Yes, it sounds for me good, but I need to connect this object to the code. I have this button. Let me just create event for every one of these. This one should be bu invite. Okay, and on a click, this one should be bu accept, you accept invitation. This one should be bu login or register, whatever. Mostly register, you could name it, but okay, let's keep it login. Going back here, you want to implement the events. So this one, bu click, if you click, there is no implementation. Just click create method, so I will create the method for you. That was first one. Going to the second one also, accept is there is no implementation. You create the event for accept, and also we missed third one, which is login. This one, so bu login, you just create bu login. So that's great. Now I have everything. I want to access to the input field, which is edit text. Okay, well, the first input text which be edit text invite email. Hopefully I just wrote it correctly. And the second edit text should be edit text my email. And I want to access to the button which is login button, so which is bu login. Okay, because later on you will see I want to disable it later on. So initialize them. So edit text equal edit text, find the view by ID, r.id dot edit text should be invite email. That's great. See, the spelling was not correct. Same thing I do it for the second one, which is be my email. For sure here will be edit text my email. And same thing, you could do it for the button, but the button should be button, not edit text. So it should be button in this way. Hopefully now I find the view by ID, r.id dot bu. Hopefully bu login, bu invite, bu login. So yes, now I just connect everything. Now anyone want to do invite, he will be able to do invite. Anyone to do login, to do login. So to make sure everything is correct, I will do logs.d invite, the tag should be, and the text I will show him the email, the one he clicked to invite. So get text dot to string, so to show you if he click invite, he will click invite. Accept, you say accept the invitation from whatever. Bu login, he say login from the my email, not user email. So just make sure everything is correct, run it. I want to run it on one device only, Nexus 6. Hopefully I have Nexus 6. Is this one Nexus 6? No, this one Pixel. This one was Nexus 6. Okay, waiting for some time to see if I just designed that out correctly. As I told you, as you see, I just mostly reuse the code that already been there. Also, I will continue reuse some code that we have it already here for the game. So just keep in mind, we will reuse some code from the code that we already developed in the when we started. So let me suppose I want to login. So if I want to login, I will say Jenna at yahoo.com. Hopefully you see Lucat here, so you would see what's going on. So when Jenna click login, you would see here login Jenna. That's correct, connected. Let me suppose this doesn't have to be in this way, but just to make sure, because the invite person Leia, that's correctly. If he say invite, if I click accept, he say accept from Leia. That's good. Now I have the layout. It's connected, and it's showing to me everything is good. I think we miss one thing. This button, I need when someone click on it, he calls specific event. If you see, he just run into a problem because he doesn't know, hey, what do you mean by this button? Button have to have a specific event, but it doesn't say which event this button have to be called. So make sure bu click just to create this event, and you now this event will be get called from all the other buttons. So this is, we know this story. We know bu click is the event that should be called by all the events. So if you see it, here is it, which is bu click.